25-year-old teacher found deceased at her Clarendon home. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Clarendon police are investigating the death of a teacher whose body was found outside her home in Hartwell Gardens, May Pen Clarendon on Monday night. The deceased has been identified as 25-year-old Vanessa Williams. Police reports are that Williams returned home from work Monday afternoon, but several calls to her cell phone went unanswered. Her body was later discovered on the ground in her yard around 10:49 p.m. The police say that the circumstances surrounding her death are unknown at this time as the police commence an investigation into the case. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to comment this. Thanks for watching.